Hello everyone! Good day to all the teachers of 51 Talk. So for today's video ay isi-share ko sa inyo ano yung nangyari sa akin last Saturday, December 6. So that Saturday is a blackout day here in Bukidnon. So talagang mayroong paalala na mayroong power interruption talaga from 6 o'clock in the morning to 6 o'clock in the evening. So I am very confident that I could still handle my 5 classes in the morning kasi 5 lang talaga yung na-open ko na klase sa morning, and then my backup will last for 3 to 4 hours straight po talaga. So, wala talagang problema regarding my backup battery. Now, I also have 3 backups for my internet. I have my Globe, ito. So, mayroon akong modem. Tapos, I have Globe also on my SIM sa cellphone. At saka, mayroon akong D2 SIM. So, lahat yun may signal. So, yun yung ginagamit ko talaga if ever na walang signal yung main line ko. So, yun ang ika-4. So, 4 talaga yung internet sources ko. When I had my class at 10 o'clock, 11 minutes pa kaming nagkaklase ng aking estudyante, ay biglang nag-blackout lahat ng mga internet services. Talagang wala po. Kahit sa cellphone, wala talaga akong ma-pick up na signal. So, ang nangyari is, look at my screen here, yan yung naging resulta. Nagka-first warning ako. On my first class, ang nangyari is, pa-notify pa naman ako dali-dali sa MS Teams namin sa FT. So, nagkaroon lang ako ng 200% na deduction. So, that is 116 pesos. Tapos, sa ikalawang klase ko, hindi na talaga ako makapasok sa aking MS Teams at hindi ako ka-self-tag. So, talagang no notification na absent. So, that is 300% of my salary. So, is 174 pesos yung deduction. At saka yung ikatatlo is also 116. So, lahat-lahat ng deduction ko is 401. Yan, ang sakit-sakit sa puso. At dito naman sa aking attendance report ay isa yung no notification. So, 2 points yun. Okay? Dalawang with notification. So, that is 2 plus 1 and 1, so that is 4 points. Kaya, yan, nagka-first warning ako. Yeah. So, kung titignan nyo po sa shift management, if I'm going to try opening a slot, yan, hindi siya nakalagay na gray. Hindi naman siya gray. But then, if you're going to click this one, magre-reklamo talaga na you don't have permission to choose any open time. Kasi, kahit natapos na yung 3 days ko, kasi 3 days suspended ako, ika-4 na araw na nga pala ngayon, but then, I failed to attend the reliability seminar. So, hindi pa siya na-unlock. So, after 2 days po ng pagka-lock ko, mayroon talagang magsisend sa inyo ng ganito. Okay, let's go to my contact logs. So, ito po siya. May nakasabi dito na use your teacher's names as seen in my page. If not, you will not be unlocked. So, nakalagay dyan na your account is on preventive lock due to multiple absences. Please book a coaching session. So, dapat akong mag-coaching session. So, if I'm going to click this one, mapupunta siya sa mga schedules na available. Okay? So, ito po yung mga available schedule. So, nakapag-book na po ako. Kadalawa na po ako nakapag-book. Kaya lang, on my first attempt, kasi nasa paaralan ako, kasi part-time job ko to, hindi ako naka-join kasi late na ako papasok. So, ilalak na nila yung conference. So, sa ikalawang pa-schedule ko naman is, hindi ako nasa working station ko kasi as I have said, I am still at school. Nagbabaka sakali na pwede na naman na walang teacher starp, wala ako sa station ko, pero kinik out rin ako dahil ako sa teaching space ko. So, if you're going to join the conference, coaching session, dapat talaga that you are in your working station. If not, you will not be included or ikikick out ka rin na coach. So, ikatatlo ko na bukas. Yes, so my schedule for tomorrow, December 11, is 2 p.m. So, I will really have my under time para lang maka-join ng coaching session. Kasi sayang naman na hindi ako makapag-open for my next cut-off. Okay? So, yun talaga ang mangyayari if ever na malak po tayo on our preventive lock. So, saan po yung link? Ito po siya. So, after na nakapag-book tayo ng session, so, after booking, use this link. Ito po. Okay? Tapos, kanina, nakapasok ako ng taglit lang, pero kinik out nga, sabi ko, dahil I'm not in my working station. So, tinatanong pa talaga ng coach kung asan yung tarpaulin, tenured teacher ka na, wala ka pang tarpaulin, ganito, ganyan. Tapos, blurry yung camera. If your camera isn't clear, it's dim or dark, you will also not be included during the coaching session. So, at least aware kayo. Yeah. So, dun tayo sa summary. Tignan natin yung aking deduction. So, as I have said, atakihin tayo sa puso nito, guys. Yes, okay. Pero nasaktan rin ako nito. Syempre, ang laki nung 406 nga. So, ito yung first na deduction ko, nakapag-notify pa ako ng dali-dali nito sa aming support team. So, that is why that is 200%. So, 116 pesos. Okay. Then, depende kasi yon sa ating rate. Kasi, on my regular rate, that is 58. So, 200% is 116. Tapos, yung regular student ko, wala talaga siyang notification. So, 300%, that is 174. So, 58 times 3 is 174. Tapos, yung ikatatlo naman ay nakapag-notify pala ako nito pero late. By the way pala nga, teachers, nagtaka ako sa ikatatlo kasi ang nangyari is ito yung makikita mo. Hindi ka makapag-LM, hindi ka rin makapag-tag ng mark student absent. So, I really asked my mentor, anong gagawin ko dito? Hindi ako makapag-LM, hindi naman ako makapag-mark ng absent. So, ang dapat gawin, teachers, is you have to tag yourself absent or else pagka next day aabot ng 12 o'clock in the afternoon, you will be with greater deduction, magiging 300% deduction. So, since I follow the advice of my mentor, so, naging 116 lang. So, all in all, yung deduction ko for that day, kasi wala naman akong hold talaga sa internet. Talagang, it's beyond my control already. So, yan lahat-lahat yung naging deduction ko, 406. Iniyakan ko rin siya, pero still, I'm thinking it positively that nun talaga hindi ko na magagawa ng paraan. Imamagic ko ba na magkaroon ng internet? Mayroon naman akong backup. Tatagal naman siya ng ilang oras, pero yung internet, hindi natin hold yung internet. Yes. So, that's my experience. Tapos, kung titignan niyo po yung aking main, anya, nakakahiya. At risk of downgrade po si Teacher Trisha Regine. Nakaalis ko pa lang sa FT, yan nangyari. Ayan, disastrous talaga. Pero, smile pa rin natin. Think positive. And then, hindi naman ako nagra-rant regarding my experiences kasi I know that I am the ones who employed in the company, and if I have my personal complaints, I keep it to myself. And if ever naman, kasi marami ako nababasa kasi sa internet na nagra-rant sila after having this kind of deductions. Anyway, you have the choice naman if you want to transfer to the other companies. So anyway, I hope may natutunan kayo on my video today. Again, after kayong maka-first warning, ang mangyayari is you cannot open additional slots or yung mga open slots po ninyo ay magiging closed po siya. So, walang chances na makapag-booked ang estudyante. Pero if you have your existing students already na nakapag-book na in advance, just like this one, puno na po yung aking mga klase up to December 15. So, yes, I can get inside my classes and make lesson memo. 3 days lang naman yung suspension. And then, after kayong makapag-coaching session, then maa-unlock na po yung inyong account. And you can open again another slots for the next cut-off or magdadagdag kayo ng mga open slots. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. And don't forget to like or heart this video if you have seen it on TikTok or in YouTube. Thank you and God bless everyone. Bye-bye.